That right? That's where I make my money. Oh, I know. People tell me that all the time. Let's see if we can get it to steer properly. My ramp's a little closer. That's as close as they go.
Might go a little sideways.
Oh, I'm hoping that it don't. That's what I'm trying to not do. That's nice right there. Nothing wrong with that. What'd you say? Oh, I'm gonna bring it to the scrapyard. They're gonna pick it up with a... Push it that way. Yeah, they'll lift it up with a forks. That's beautiful right there. Oh yeah, I know. A lot of people would say that too.
A lot of little things on this thing that cost you a lot of money.
That was easy enough. Look at that.
These bearings in here.
Oh yeah.
Small shit cost you a shitload of money to fix.
I know. I get it. But for me, I'm a scrapper. So
These right here are Ogden bearings. They're 3/4 inch bearings.
it's gonna be hot, son. Yep. Well, we got it on here. That's the main thing. I'm done with roofing. Guys, I have been busy today. I could have pulled this thing all the way to the front, but I'm gonna put my 2 titanium barrels right in the front, maybe, and lock them down. But I picked that up first thing this morning. Now, picking up my titanium. See you in a minute. You're here. What? Look at that beautiful stuff. Look at the goodness. Wow. All right, let's get these things on the truck. Let's see, am I gonna put them on here? I think so. I need to buy 2 of these barrels so I can swap them out instead of having to come back here. I will have to come back here to bring his barrels back, but I'm gonna buy, I have one actually, no lid. I gotta find a lid for it, but yeah, we'll find a lid. Yeah, titanium honey hole. I'll run a strap right through that. Put my other one right behind it. I will strap your mother down. Oh, is that tie your mother down? That's what it is, not strap your mother. We're not strapping your mother today. We're tying her down. Sir, show me the goodness. I do have to put these in my own barrels when I get home. But ooh, that's not good. Beat up my camera. Titanium has got to be worth something. It's got to be worth something. Take my titanium, I transfer it from one barrel to the next, but the reason why I do it this way is because I look through it. I do look through it because I always, or sometimes I should say, find pieces, full pieces, in which I will be sending some of that to Scorpion Metals. He wants to see if his laser machine will, how it does on titanium. He's also making me some cups that I'll be selling on my channel. Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? Well, I'm gonna get these unloaded. Man, I was hoping that I could at least get a whole barrel in here. This stuff is packed when it comes to me, and it's not quite as packed. This one doesn't seem to have anything in it. Goodness gracious. Nope. No good pieces. No good pieces. But it is a full barrel. Well, not quite. Once I push it down, we'll have some more room in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's one. Second barrel of titanium. Like I say, I always hope that I find some pieces in here that are whole. They are cool when I do. I'll get it down. So I'm talking about, I find these in there sometimes. Mr. Nice Bar, NGM Company, USA. I like it. C-R-I-N-C-E, Crinch. Nice little scraper. Like I say, every once in a while I find something like that in there. Yep, 2 barrels, I only found one. NGM Company, Mr. Nice Bar, USA. Crunch. Only found one out of 2 barrels. Alright, so now I'll bring back and drop off my 2 buckets. Drop off his bins back to him. And I'm gonna call it a day. My wife and I are going bowling today. I'm just gonna set this aside. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's heavy. It is heavy. Eventually, if I can ever get 10 barrels worth, I'm gonna find a buyer, or I'll sell it like I did the other ones for 30 cents a pound. I just hate to do that. It don't make sense. 300 bucks for 1,000 pounds of this? No way. Something ain't right about that. That ain't right. Okay. Whew. All right. All right. Let's load these barrels back up, bring them to them. Call it a day. I'm going bowling and I can't wait. I got a brand new ball. I got to test that thing out. See if I can turn up the revolutions on that thing. Hopefully. Huh? Oh, and buddy's got his MG fired up. Sounds like an MG. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful, that thing's beautiful, man. I love it.
Yeah, I gotta finish doing the paintwork on it.
Man, that thing looks good, man. I remember the day we picked it up.